Hi friends, so today we'll be making these mandala coasters, and for this I'm using this black shadow black color of epoch. It's shadow black metallic gel. So roughly I have taken 200 grams of resin, and in that I have mixed this color. So I'm not making it very thick. So let's start. I'll be using this golden liner tomorrow after drying. So let's remove the bubbles first. Don't penetrate this shotgun on one point, otherwise your mold will burn and it will stick, the resin will stick to the mold and it will not come out. Okay, so see you tomorrow. Bye. Hi friends, so I'm back again. This is 90% dry. So now we'll do the second layer. I've made this resin, 200 grams of resin with silver glitter and silver flakes. Okay, so we'll do a top layer on each. Okay, let's start. So this is done. So we'll do some more work on it after around 15-20 hours when this will be all cured. Okay, so see you next. Bye. Hi friends, so I am back with this coaster. So let's do it. First I will unmold this. I'm using this gold color. I bought this from Amazon. So we'll take some color and we'll rub on this like this. Okay, so now we'll take some wet tissue and we'll clean it like this. So this is how it has come out, and after this I will do one layer of clear resin on top so that this golden color get fixed. Okay, so now I'm doing a very thin layer of resin on top of it. Okay, so Spreading it with my finger. I think it's not a very good idea for everyone because some people are allergic to resin, so it's better you wear gloves and do it. So it's done now. Leave it for 24 hours and let it dry, and then your coaster is complete.